Hello there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Ever found yourself locked out of an app or service because you can't quite recall your Apple ID password? It happens to the best of us. While you cannot directly see your current password for security reasons, Apple offers straightforward ways to find or reset your Apple ID password. In this short video, we will guide you through the simple steps to find and, if you want to, reset your Apple ID password to regain access to your Apple world with ease. Here's what we'll be covering. Number 1. Checking the Passwords app on iOS 18 and later. 2. Checking Chrome Password Manager. 3. Resetting ID password in the settings. Let's begin. Number 1. Checking the Passwords app for iOS 18 and later. First, let's utilize the built-in Apple Passwords app. This app was introduced in Apple's iOS 18 update, making it easier to access and manage passwords, passkeys, Wi-Fi credentials, and verification codes. It is your first and often most direct route to finding your Apple ID password. Step 1. Open your home screen and type for passwords in the app library search bar. Click the app and it will use your Face ID to unlock it. Step 2. The first thing you will see is the search bar. Type Apple and you should find your Apple ID password listed there. Step 3. You might panic at first as it only shows dots. But don't worry, simply tap on the dots and it will quickly reveal itself. Number 2. Checking Chrome Password Manager. If you cannot find it in the Password app, there is another solution. It might be saved in one of the most popular web browsers in the world, Google Chrome. Step 1. Go to your home screen and open the Google Chrome app. Step 2. Locate the 3 dots on the bottom right of the screen and navigate to Passwords Manager. It will use your Face ID to unlock it. Step 3. In the search bar, type Apple, then click the eye icon next to the dots to view the password. Now you know where to locate your Apple ID password whenever you need it. Number 3. Resetting Apple ID password. Now, what if you cannot find your Apple ID password anywhere? Or it is the incorrect or outdated password saved in your device? Or you just want to update a new password that you are sure you will remember? Don't worry, you can simply reset it in the settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap on your name or Apple ID banner at the top. Step 3. Select Sign In and Security on the next screen. Step 4. There you will see an option that says Change Password. Click on it, and it will once again use your Face ID to unlock it. Now, if you have stolen device protection turned on, a security delay will pop up. This feature will last for an hour if you are changing your ID password at a different location from where your iPhone recognizes as its home location. Wait for 1 hour for the security delay to end, and then follow through the steps mentioned earlier once more to proceed to the next step in changing your password. Step 5. Enter and verify your new password. Make sure it is a password that you will remember, and then tap Change or Done. You now have regained control of your Apple ID and can continue using your iPhone with ease, knowing your device is safe and secure. Bonus tip: if you really want an easier way to keep track of your passwords, save it in your Notes app and lock it with a password. Many users often search their notes for forgotten passwords, but be careful. You might find a note where you poured your emotional heart out. And there you have it. You have now learned how to find your Apple ID password or reset it. Remember to choose a strong but memorable password so you always have access to your Apple ID. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. And please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.